Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about, does your iPhone 16 Plus smartphone have Game Center or Game Turbo in iPhone 16? So let's start the video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to simply open your settings, scroll down, you will see apps, or here it is, Game Center. You have, yes friends, it has Game Center. You can see a social gaming service that let you interact with friends, track and compare scores and achievements, challenge other players and complete in multiplayer games. Yes, it has. You have to enable it if you have iPhone Apple ID. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.